JavaScript is one of the oldest and most popular programming language, and it is one of the most fastest growing language in the world. You can work as front-end or back-end developer or as full-stack developer who is working with back-end and front-end both. You can create full-fledged web or mobile apps and also able to create real-time networking applications, such as chats and video streaming services, command line utilities, and even games. Just install Node.js and Visual Studio Code and let's quickly get started. After installing it, create a new folder and just drag and drop the folder to your Visual Code. Here you can see on the left side we have this options where you can manage your files and folders. Let's create a new file over here by clicking over this icon and give name to it. Let's say index.html. Now in this HTML file, type exclamation and then press Tab or Enter when you see this option. This is known as basic boilerplate, which is default HTML structure for your website. Now inside the body tag, add a script tag like this. And now we can write our script directly here inside the script tag, or we can add an external source, which we will discuss later in this course. Let's try console logout now, and let's check our code. Open up Chrome and right-click on an empty area and go to Inspect Now. This opens up Chrome Developer Tools. Here select the Console tab. Here you can see that our Hello World has console logged out. If you change this Hello World to Hello YouTube, see it says Hello YouTube in console. This was the simplest introduction you can find on the internet. Follow this channel to learn JavaScript in the most simple and shortest way possible. Share this video and give a thumbs up to the video so that YouTube knows that you like the content and that can help to grow our community.